The visuals you just seen, you must be thinking, is it Afghanistan or Talibani terrorist? But the reality is really shocking. This is India, the northeast part of India, in the state Meghalaya and city Shillong. This all is happening, and these people who are spreading the violence around the city are not terrorists. These are the common men who are really angry of the system and the police because they did something which really shattered humanity, which really shattered the emotions of the local Khasi people especially. And this is not only terrifying but sad at the same time. These people are really angry with the system, and as per their allegations, a very big personality whose name was Chesterfield, thank you, who was the General Secretary of HNLC, a militant group based in Meghalaya, and he was encountered in a fake way, and he was encountered without any reason, and he was encountered just because he was trying to bring peace between the militant group HNLC and the government, and he was acting as a mediator to resolve the issues as well. And somehow people are really angry, because of which they celebrated Black Day on Independence Day of India. Which is a really shocking thing, my friends. Not only this, they also got so angry that they even captured one police vehicle, and they were roaming in the city with guns in their hands, showing the power of the Khasi people. Shown the power that the Khasi people are really strong. As we said, Khasis are warriors. Khasis do not fear either of the system or the government or the police. And the reality you can see in front of your eyes, my friends. Hundreds of bikers shown and celebrated Black Day in whole city, and police could not do anything, and they just keep watching because they know the power of Khasi people is really strong and really great, and nobody can challenge them. And that's the reason that they even captured the police van, and they roam in whole city with guns, and then they even burned the vehicle. Somehow this really shows the anger of local people and the power of local people in Meghalaya. And that's the reason why I am also raising the voice and questioning the authorities while national media is not covering it, and hence I come today in front to support them, because this is all about humanity. Because if you really want to resolve the issue, why you need to go to somebody's house? If you really want to resolve the issue, why you have to just start killing somebody who is already an ill person? If you really want to resolve the issue and you say you did it for your self-protection, there was no guns as per the eyewitnesses or the local people of Mavlai. They said there was only one knife. How can one knife be so dangerous than your guns? Really, this is really terrifying, and over it you're trying to suppress the voice by shutting down the internet, and then you think that this can be really be so easy to suppress the Khasi people. It is really wrong. And I must tell, the Khasi people are the really big voice of Meghalaya. Khasi is somehow one of the most strongest people or the tribes of Meghalaya, and hence we must respect the sentiment of the people as well, because in the end Mr. Thank You was acting as a mediator, because he was the former General Secretary of HNLC, the militant group from Meghalaya. Hence it is very important that we should always try to keep peace, and he was trying to be an ambassador to resolve the issues and be a peacemaker. Hence, that's why I'm also coming in front, because when I got to know about the issue, then I thought it's a general war happening between two militant groups or army or militants. But later on I got to know that that innocent personality was killed it is not a courageous act. I must question the authorities, I must question the police, I must question the government that investigation should be done in this case, and the authorities and the police, whomsoever is responsible for this kind of an encounter, which is as per the allegation of the local people, they are saying it's a cold-blooded murder according to the people. Hence, you must investigate, because this voice has moved to Delhi as well. I am in Delhi and now we're going to India. The whole India is gonna support the cause. Hence, this is important for the government of Meghalaya to support the cause. Be a part of the initiative if you really want justice for them. I am here with you, supporting the cause. Just join this fight against negativity and devilish acts. We are together, we are one. Just be a part of the channel and be a part of initiative. And I call you my boy army of love. We're gonna win with love. Love always wins. Be a part of the channel. Just hit subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. I'm gonna support you all the time, always and forever. So I'll be coming in the next video, but do not forget, if you really demand justice, do not forget to share the video to at least 10 people on WhatsApp, Facebook, where you want to share on, you want and you feel you can really help the people. Thank you so much for joining me for tonight. I'll coming in the next video next time, and if you want to be my friend and you want to personally know me, this is my Instagram ID. I'll be coming in the next video next time. Do not forget, love always wins. See you.